Namaskar. Do you know that the way in which we breathe affects all the aspects of your life? Yes, you must try to practice pranayam every day to know this. You see, pranayam is a practice which directs your bioenergy through breath control. If you are a beginner and don't know from where to begin, let's do two short and simple pranayam techniques today that are perfect for beginners. So let's start. So here is Rohini. Now begin your practice by conditioning yourself. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, keep your spine straight, head straight, and then peacefully bring your mind on your breath. Breathe in fully a bit, breathe out fully. Inhale fully and exhale fully. Now your mind is very much with you. Let's do pranayam number one. Here we do equal inhalation and exhalation. So now again, breathe in 1, 2, 3 seconds. Now breathe out 1, 2, 3 seconds. Again start, breathe in 3 seconds, breathe out 1, 2, 3 seconds. Do it again, 3, breathe out 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, out. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is very focused, very good pranayam. Now you begin with intercostal breathing. Usually, when we breathe, the chest comes up. Here, your ribs have to go from the side. So, keep your both hands on your ribs as she's doing it. And now, grip your ribs. You have to make a grip. And now, while breathing in, you have to push your ribs on the side, not in front, on the side. So, do it. Breathe in, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Totally focus on your ribs. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Fine. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Again try. Breathe in. Focus on your rib. Breathe out. See ribs on both the side properly expand. Inhale. 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Again inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. This is intercostal breathing. Very, very essential to understand this. The third pranayam we will do is called as Bhramari pranayam. So here you have to first inhale fully and close your ears and exhale with the sound what a Bramar makes, humming sound. So let's try. Put your finger into your ear, first finger, and then breathe in fully. 2, 3. And now hold your breath and do this humming sound. Exhale, exhale, exhale. The sound should continue. Yes. You will hear your humming sound loudly because you have closed your ears. Very good. Again, breathe in, and humming sound. Let it go as long as it can. Your entire ribs, chest would be emptied out. You are breathing out completely and relaxing. Do it 5 times. Inhale and sound. Very good. Fine. Now This intercostal breathing, clavicular breathing, these are all pranayams. But today we have done intercostal and Bhramari pranayam. You practice it regularly and you will see the whole benefit. Your mind automatically would be in your control. All the tension, negativity would be out. More oxygen into your body means every organ of your body will receive more oxygen, more strength, more energy, and proper nutrients. Automatically, immunity will go high and you will be able to handle life very well. Practice daily. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Practice regularly and benefit yourself. Namaskar.